Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to unlist or delete your property from booking.com. So the first thing you need to do here is to log into booking.com business using your property owner account. So as you can see here, you just need to tap on this one. And from your dashboard, guys, you'll be able to see all your property. And then of course, you can select the property you want to remove here or unlist it. So now go to your inbox and open booking.com messages to contact support. And then you can click compose new message, choose account as a topic, then terminate contract as a subtopic. So here you can send your request and wait for booking.com to confirm the removal. They may take a few days to process it. And that's how you can delete your property or unlist your property from booking.com, guys. Like and follow for more hosting tips. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on my next video. Bye.